Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video we're going to do getting to know about me. Yes, we're going to do that. Yeah. Hey, let's go. Hi, so nagbabalik tayo.
Montage.
Tanong.
Your age.
15. I'm 15 years old, guys. Hi sa mga ka-15 dyan. Shout out. Yeah.
Next is your full name.
Full name. Jaisa Tokiro Kalago.
And your birth date.
Birth date. I'm born in 2008, January 2. Dali ara.
And your occupation.
My occupation, guys, is yung trabaho, diba? Trabaho yung Tagalog yan. So, ang aking trabaho is wala. Dito, tambay. Hindi naman sa ganong tambay lang. Meron tayong mga ginagawa. Yung kadalasan at mga yung common lang ng mga trabaho. Like, maghuhugas, ganyan, lalaba. Lahat ng trabaho sa bahay is yun yung occupation ko.
And how about your life status?
Single.
And your hobbies?
My hobbies is volleyball and pagbabasa ng libro. Yan talaga yung hobbies ko.
And what about your favorite color and food? So let's start with the color.
White and black.
Okay, the food?
Dami, guys. Sobrang dami. Like, spaghetti, chicken joy, bulad, toyo pala toyo, ganyan. Marami, guys. So, yan yung top 3. Meron pang ice cream, manok. Basta yun, madami, guys. So, yun yung pinaka-favorite ko. The rest, favorite ko din. Basta nakakain. Sarap nun. Takaw ka. Hindi naman halata naman talaga sa mukha ko. Na mata ko, di ba? Okay, next.
And what about your family status?
Long story, guys. But, simulan na natin na yung family ko is a broken. My mother is hirap na Tagalog na. Ang aking ina is lumayas na yung like I'm 1 year. Ay, di ka tawa na good. Nung bata pa lang ako, guys, is iniwan ako ng nanay ko. 1 year old pa lang daw ako is iniwan niya na ako. And hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga pangyayari, but still my father is nandito siya, and hindi siya nandito, nagtatrabaho siya para sa amin. So, pag-usapan na lang natin soon kapag yung content natin na yun talaga yung pag-uusapan. Next.
And what about your future?
Naiisip ko noon, nung bata pa ako, dami kong gusto mag-cashier, mag-teacher, but umiba na yun nung nag-mature na ako. Siyempre, iniisip ko pa ko na yung future ko, pero yung future ko talaga is maging teacher ba? I don't know kung papalarin na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral, di ba? Gabi na. So, yun lang, guys. So, hope you enjoyed. Kahit ako hindi nag-enjoy. So, mag-enjoy lang kayo. Subscribe to my channel. Ulitin natin. Please do. To like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming video. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
outro. Ito yung outro.
My YouTube channel, this video we're going to do a get to know about me. So, and guys, let's go! To like, share, subscribe, and click. To like, share, subscribe, and click notification bell.